If you crack your knuckles just to annoy someone, this is for you. Or maybe you just love the sound. Either way, let's dive in. Okay, so here's the deal. When you stretch or bend your fingers, you're actually pulling the bones apart just a tiny bit. Inside your joints, there's this slippery fluid called synovial fluid. Think of it as joint ketchup. When you stretch your fingers, it lowers the pressure and tiny gas bubbles form in the fluid. Pop. That's the sound you hear. It's just those bubbles bursting. And nope, cracking your knuckles doesn't give you arthritis. Science checked. But if it hurts or gets swollen, maybe give your fingers a break. So next time your knuckles go snap, crackle, pop, remember it's just a little joint science in action. And maybe try not to scare your grandma with it.